Let's begin install. Step 1. Break loose the frame side bolt using a 9mm socket. Step 2. Remove the main track bar bolt using your 19mm socket. Use a bungee cord to strap the track bar out of the way. Step 3. Insert the wing nut inside of the OEM mount. Nut faces up, shorter side will be towards the front of the truck. Step 4. Insert the back bracket into the OEM mount. You may have to tap it in. Use Loctite. Step 5. Install the front main bracket with the OEM bolt on the main hole. Start with 2 to 3 turns in. Step 6. Install bottom bolt. Only do 2 to 3 turns in to start. Step 7. Insert the side bolt. Only use 2 to 3 turns to start. Step 8. Remove the bungee cord. Drop the track bar into the top hole. Now insert the M14 80mm long bolt. And install the nut on the back side. Step 9. Tighten down all bolts. First bolt is the main OEM bolt, bottom bolt, side bolt, and main track bar bolt. Step 10. Tighten down frame side bolt, torque it down using 120 foot-pounds. Step 11. Mark all bolts for easy checks.